Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own self-portrait. And the key to making your own self-portrait is knowing how to draw individual parts of the face. So I'm going to show you some different ways that you can do that, and then you can make your own self-portrait or a portrait of your friend. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to draw an eye. So usually eyes are kind of an almond shape, and you can go ahead and get started with that. And then of course there's the iris. And the iris is that part that has the color. And then there's the pupil. And there we got the eyelid here. And of course the eyebrow. So there's your basic eye. So you can add whatever you want. If they look really surprised, you can draw their eye like bigger, and their iris is not covered. So they're like, oh, they're scared or surprised or something. You can make them more circular. Maybe they're looking up or down. You can make it a little bit thinner. And you can make your eyebrows really big or really small, and you can make them thin. You can make them more realistic by, drawing them as little hairs like that. So those are some basic eyes. Also, you want to draw your nose. So noses all look different, but for the most part they have the same structure. They have the nostrils right here, and this is the bottom part, and the little side, and it goes up kind of like that. So that's your basic nose, but again, you can experiment with the different looking noses. It can look more pointy or really big nose. Maybe it's crooked and really fat or really thin. Everyone has a different sort of nose, so try to make one that looks like yours. And then of course, a nice trick to know is the nose leads into the eyebrow, so then you can start drawing the eyebrows. And then the eyes will be about here. Another thing, if you want, is just an added detail, is you can add this little divot that some people have. Next is the lips. They'll go right here. And this person has a really big mouth, but that's your basic mouth. Or you can have a really small mouth, or they can be smiling. Teeth are hard to draw, so beware. So those are some basic just features. So when you're drawing your face, usually you want to start with the head. So go ahead and draw your head. Maybe you have a big round head or a narrow head. There's my little oval. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, because not everyone's face is a perfect circle. So in the middle of the face, kind of, is where your nose is going to be. There's the nose, nostrils, the sides here, and I'm going to draw up. And then you can draw your eyebrows, and your eyes are about here. They don't touch the sides of the face. Your iris, the pupils, you can do a little highlight there, eyelid, and the mouth. See? And you can add hair, you can draw that ear, eyelashes if you want. Maybe you have a birthmark here, some freckles. So make sure you look at your face and see how it's different from everyone else's, and you can draw that. And there you go, you have a portrait of your own. And so then you can color it however you want. You can use any kind of coloring material. You can use markers, paint, or even some colored pencils if you wanted. And then you can color in your hair, your skin, your clothes. and everybody looks different. So everyone's portrait would be different. So that's how you make a portrait. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.